Hello and welcome back. Well, in the last Linux 18, we discussed about a possible standard Linux desktop for the masses as an alternative to Windows and Macs. And one of the companies mentioned, of course, was Google, that has all the resources to pull this off. Well, I just tested the brand new Chrome OS Flex, and I installed it in a 14-year-old Toshiba satellite laptop that had Windows Vista. Yeah, that Windows Vista. And the results? Well, wow. Alright, let's be honest. We all have outdated PCs in the house, right? In the closet, in the garage. Don't forget the one right beneath your bed. It's in the corner. Check there. So we all have outdated PCs. I have two to my left here hooked up to my 4K big screen TV to watch Halo TV series and other TV shows on Paramount Plus. Yeah, I got those 10-year-old PCs, older than that actually, working with lightweight Linux, and even got them working with Windows 11. Boy, there's a statement, huh? Lightweight Linux and lightweight Windows 11. That's something I never thought I would say. So anyway, I got those PCs working, but if you're a family of 4 or more, you have busy lives, you don't have time to download something, learn something new from Linux, maybe hope it doesn't have any bugs, try to figure something out and be disappointed, maybe. You don't have the time for that. But what if you could download a brand new operating system that never needs maintenance, never needs reinstalling, it's backed by a big company, and you can keep it for life with lifetime updates, at least for now. Would that work? Well, it appears that Chrome OS Flex is that such operating system. And if everything works out, this may be a step towards desktop domination for the masses, besides Microsoft Windows. Alright, like I said, I installed this in a very old, outdated Toshiba laptop. 4 gigs of RAM, dual core, nothing special. And I am absolutely, stunned. Everything works. Seriously. Everything works. And, this was surprising because Chrome OS Flex right now is the unstable branch of Google. It's the testing branch. If you don't know what unstable OS means, try driving a car with bad brakes or a flat tire. Yeah, I mean, you could drive the car, but unstable. Now, I was a little bit ticked off. That really pissed me off because it's supposed to be unstable. Unstable OSs are not supposed to work, and everything in my laptop worked perfectly. So Google lied to me. So that is unacceptable. Something has to break in this Toshiba laptop with Google OS Flex because this is unstable. Alright, so everything worked in this as we're looking at this built-in screen recorder for Chrome OS Flex, which works pretty good. This is version 101. Now after installing this, I did have to reboot twice. I know it's very Windows-ish, but hey, it's only a couple reboots after the first install. And I was playing with this over the weekend, and I couldn't find anything so far that did not work. The install worked. It took a long time, but it worked. This has a HDD drive, not an SSD. So as fast as this could probably run even faster if I change this to an SSD, and they're very affordable right now, about $25 and up. So yeah, if you have an old HDD, change it. So I'm playing with this. The screen recorder works, playing music works, watching YouTube videos works, rebooting works, installing the updates worked, the file manager worked, Bluetooth worked, ran all the updates. Everything so far works the way it should in an unstable branch of Google. I can't think of the last time I installed something from the unstable branch of Linux everything and didn't have at least one problem. By the way, this new launcher from the Chrome OS looks great. It kind of reminds me of Windows, dare I say. But this is the new launcher, which is now to the left versus centered brand new. So if you have a standard Chromebook, which I do, and you run all the updates, you should see this brand new launcher here to the left, and I think it looks great. You can even click the microphone there to the top right of the launcher, and you can ask Google something, such in my case, I asked about the weather, and it gave me the weather forecast. Again, no glitches, nothing wrong in this unstable branch of Google. At least that's what they tell me. As I look at this, running this over the weekend with no problems, any Windows user can download Chrome OS Flex, create a live USB bootable stick, try it before you install it, just like you would most Linux-based systems. You don't have to install anything. See if you like it, install it, and see if it works. For me, so far, it's 100% working the way it should on a laptop that had originally Windows Vista. And I don't have to worry about reinstalling this, as you get continuous updates for life, at least for now. For what I've seen so far, this is a game changer. This is a step towards desktop domination with Google's Chrome OS Flex. I mean, if something works this good and it's unstable, imagine the possibilities on something that is completely stable, finalized. Not bad. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So far, I'm very happy. Let me know what you guys think.